man that is there should have been released to a legal practitioner, because anything can happen to a pregnant woman. I mean, this is a country of law. We shouldn't take laws into our hands.
We are very unhappy. We are befuddled with this situation, and we are ready to take them up legally. We understand. We understand that they are having issues with the Nigeria police, but there's no way the Nigerian civil defense will be able to operate properly without working hand in hand with Nigeria police. Because if they had gone to the nearest police station, they would have been informed that they are already on the matter, and our clients would not be suffering this double jeopardy, because they can't use their water. Their waterways have been destroyed. They can't use their water, and at the same time, they cannot enjoy their freedom to personal liberty.
The coming days will determine where the pendulum swings as investigations continue. Loretta Chiogo, Channels Television News.